Bonjour les amis. Hi guys. Today we're gonna be learning how to make the nasal sound in French. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre comment prononcer les sons nasaux en français. Très bien. Well, guys, let's introduce to you a noun containing all the nasal in French. And it is Constantin. Constantin. By the way, guys, let's start with this sound on. Alors, les amis, nous avons comme exemple. Then, guys, we have as examples couple of nouns. Un ombre, un ombre, un nombre. Une pompe, une pompe, une pompe. And then, ensuite, nous avons, and then we have on. On, especially is a word, is a pronoun, and it is like equivalent of we, impersonal second person in French. But it is conjugated as a third person singular, but meaning we in French. It is a lot of use in French. Thank you. Okay, guys, and then comment savoir quel on or on with N and on with M écrire. How to know which on to write, right? We're going to know that. Alors, les amis, on avec M s'écrit toujours derrière B et P. Then, guys, on with M is always written behind B and P. Hope you understand. Exemple, nombre, nombre, pompe, pompe, ombre, ombre. And then, alors, et le on avec N va être toujours derrière les autres consonnes. And then, guys, the on with N is always going to be behind the other consonants. Examples: content, content, concombre, concombre. Votre attention, s'il vous plaît. Attention, please, guys. On écrit on avec M derrière M lui-même. We write on with M behind M itself. Examples: commander, commander, commencer, commencer. Hope you enjoyed, guys.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more videos like this, and if you did not like it, leave us a comment and tell us why you do not like it. Hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to share and subscribe. It's totally free.